Hello students, I am Dr. PC Cambodia, Associate Professor in the Department of English, BSR, Government Arts College, Alwar, Rajasthan. This video is for the students of BA Part 2nd, English Literature Paper 2nd. In this video, we discuss 6th chapter, section 3rd of the novel Inside the Haveli written by Rama Mehta. In the very beginning of this chapter, we are told that the preparations of the marriage of Sita, daughter to Gangaramji and Lakshmi, is already on, and the drummers are there in the servant quarters of Gangaramji. They are drumming the drums vehemently, ladies are singing and dancing. Then children are crying out of pleasure, shouting here and there. Then the actual day of the marriage of Sita comes. It is the evening time. The guests that have been invited, they drop in one by one. The teachers who taught Sita, the relatives of Sita, and the relatives of the honor of the Haveli, such as Manji Buwasa to Gita, Kanta Buwasa to Gita, also arrives, and they sit with the mistress of the Haveli, Kavarni Sa. Then Sita is prepared with the help of Dhapu and some other maid servants for the marriage evening. She is given that sari and long skirt of red color that was given to her by her mother through the ayah of her school. Of course, at this time, there is a comparison by Kavarnisa, and Kavarnisa realizes that the bridal dress that she presented to Sita was far superior, but it was the custom in the Haveli that a girl, when she was going to be married, had to wear the ceremonious dress that is given by her parents. So Sita had to wear the bridal dress given to her by Lakshmi hiddenly. Then she is there, and then there are the other persons who are around Sita. They bring gifts for Sita, and an account of it is kept. The lights are glittering all around, and they are hanging in series tied with the help of wires. And as soon as the evening comes, they glitter, and in darkness they glitter more and more. Then the priests are there, they are sitting under a canopy, and the four ends of that canopy are tied with big banana plants, and there are some other guests who are around the canopy. Then professional cooks are already there. They have started their preparations in order to provide the marital dinner to the guests and other relatives. Then in a distant direction, some sounds of music are heard, and then it is an indication that the marriage party is approaching. The music is heard louder and louder, and finally the marriage party arrives at the gate of the Haveli. Shivram, who is a bridegroom, sits on a horse and the horse is bejeweled. Then Sita is led with a garland, and then Shivram dismounts the horse. At that time, flowers are thrown at Sita and Shivram, who are the bride and bridegroom. The crackers are also fired just near the horse, but the horse knows that those crackers and their lighting and sound is harmless because that horse has carried hundreds and hundreds of bridegrooms on his back. Then Sita is given a garland. With trembling hands, she puts that garland around the neck of Shivram, and Shivram also repeats the same for Sita. The both of them are taken under that canopy where the priests are already there, and as soon as they arrive over there, then Dhapu and her husband also come over there, and then the ceremonious activities of the marriage begin, and the priests recite hymns and other ceremonious dialogues. And these ceremonious dialogues and enchantments are more old than 3000 years. The marriage dinner is also served, and there is a great festivity. Then we notice that Parijiji is not there. She is looking at this ceremony from a distant window because it is thought that the ladies who have been widowed are kept away from such ceremonious occasion because they are thought to be an ill omen. So Parijiji is hiding herself. Tears roll down her eyes because she can't grace that occasion. Then the owner of the Haveli, Bhagwat Singh Ji and Ajay Singh also come over there, and they greet Shivram's father and Gangaram Ji. They are there for around 5 minutes, and all the relatives of Shivram and his father are overjoyed because the owner of the Haveli has also given recognition to the marriage of Sita and Shivram, and that is what they wanted. So they are highly overjoyed and satisfied. After 5 minutes or so, the owner of the Haveli, Bhagwat Singh Ji, and his son Ajay departs from over there to enter the main Haveli. In the main Haveli, through the window, the mistress of the Haveli, Kavarnisa, also looks at the grand occasion, and then she listens to those songs which sing of the tunes of departure of the girl from her parents. And listening to those songs and tunes, Kavarnisa starts spreading tears, and then Manji Buwasa to Gita, Kanta Buwasa to Gita, and other ladies, they ask the mistress of the Haveli, Kavarnisa, not to weep because it was a grand and auspicious occasion, and for such grand and auspicious occasions tears are not required, rather blessings are required. And they also tell the mistress of the Haveli that it is the day for which every parent and mother father of a girl want. That is the marriage occasion of the daughter of them, and Kavarnisa tells them that the mother is not there. Of course, she is in Udaipur city, and if it is possible, she would call back Lakshmi to the Haveli if she is interested to come to the Haveli. And this way, we come to know that the marriage of Shivram and Sita takes place. This way, we come to the end of chapter 6th of the novel Inside the Haveli. We shall be taking the next chapter of this novel on our next turn. You can also write down an account of the main events of this chapter and mail them to my email, that is cambodiapc@gmail.com. Thank you so much.